Is this always this tight? Man. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's cut to it. Here we go. Ta-da! Here it is. New game room, new house, so I got a bigger room, so I was able to fit more into here. And since I keep everything organized, I'm able to maximize the amount of space that I have. So this is just a quick kind of loop around of the room. I'll do an in-depth, what's actually on the shelves and where stuff came from, stuff like that. When I'm using to prop stuff up, stuff I made, etc. I'm using the auto stabilize feature, recording on my camera, and it did this thing where it kind of put everything at an angle. It's not too noticeable, I think. It bothers me a little bit, but I kind of don't want to keep redoing it. This is probably the third or fourth take that I've filmed this, and this is like the third time that it's happened, so shouldn't be too bad. It kind of clears itself out later on, but yeah, let's go ahead and let's get into it. Smash Brothers Champion. They only gave these out to champions. No, I'm just playing. They gave these out at the store when you pre-ordered the game or whatever. I absolutely suck. Xenoblade Chronicles, 2 special editions, and Zelda Monopoly, some little figurines and stuff like that. Never beat the games. You can stone me later. Some Zelda posters right here. I like them, so I like to show them off. You can kind of see some of the Fire Emblem stuff I got right there. More of the special edition posters I got from Club Nintendo. Got my little Mario down there with Cappy. Pretty cool. So I guess I'll start at the top too. So most of my collection is freaking Amiibos. They take up a lot of space. I keep them organized. So I got all the Fire Emblem guys here. I got one of each variant. Got these right here too. These are all this is pretty much everything Fire Emblem I own. I just keep it right here, and I take it out from time to time and play through them. I do open the special editions, but I kind of just keep them up there when I'm not going through them. Got some more figures right here. My Game Boys. It's a little light right here that I use when it's, just to illuminate stuff so you can see it better. Helps at night, and I'll show that off later. So my NES collection hasn't grown since it's grown a little bit, but it hasn't grown so much. And since I got the NES Classic, it's pretty much everything that I want to play. So I don't know if I'll keep expanding. And same thing with the SNES stuff. Got the SNES Classic, and pretty much same ball game. N64 collection hasn't grown too much either. It's pretty much the same. From a better angle, so you can see the depth of the rows back there. Got my Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, stuff in box. These are hard cases, by the way, too. You can pick those up on Amazon. Protect the cardboard. Sega Genesis section. Dreamcast. Got the Sega Genesis Mini down there. Got little. This is Isaac's plasma cutter from Dead Space. Any Dead Space fans out there? The GameCube. I don't know if that works or not. I'm not sure. Some more Amiibos. Like I said, take up a lot of space. Got my PS2 collection, PSP, PS1. And then here's my Wii U. I probably should have started from the top, so I'm going to go from the bottom up. GameCube. And then the collection's kind of, the way it's organized, it goes from left to right. So you'll see how the GameCube extends into the Wii, and then the Wii will extend down to the bottom. These are just extra cases and stuff. Here's the Game Boy player for the GameCube. I don't have enough space, so I'll just keep it there. Soft case and another hard case. DS. I got a lot of stuff for DS and 3DS. That's a big bulk of my collection. I really love the handheld stuff, so keep all that stuff there. Here's a display case that I made a while back. It needs some improvements. Some of the stuff is sagging, but I just put light stuff in there. Got a little question block. That lights up at night, by the way, too. I got some more top shelf stuff here. The Big Donkey Kong, Bowser, separate individual Ho-Oh and Lugia. And, of course, you've got the Ganondorf up there from Wind Waker. Little Mac. And then I got both variants of the 30th anniversary 8-bit Mario. Another unique Donkey Kong stuff here. Also keep the Wii Mini. I think this is really cool. Hopefully be worth something someday. Got the Gold Series up here, and more lines of my 3DSs. And another cool thing here, you can use these. These are like business card holders, and they work very well for displaying DSs. And they're really cheap, and you can get them in like packs of 10. So I'm gonna get some more. Fix this right here. Okay. Cool. I guess I'll go right here too. This is more of the DS collection going into the 3DS. I like to keep all of my stuff in the Nintendo 3DS card cases. So I have some right here. I think there's 4. And then I got a 5th one up here. And I kind of just take all the games out and I put them in there rather than cycling through the boxes or trying to open up some and see what's in there and what's not. Got some random knickknacks here. Got some Dank Souls memorabilia. Got the little NFC reader. Before I had a new 3DS to scan Amiibos and use that for my regular 3DS. Got some more. This is my Wii collection. It's not too big. It should be bigger than I thought it was, but same with the GameCube. I plan on expanding. I just don't know when. Switch collection is honestly one of the biggest portions too. I got a lot of Switch games. There's a lot of great titles. So PS3. This wasn't ever a very big library. I kind of stayed with the God of War series, Dead Space. I got this guy from, I guess he's from the Order. Kind of protects that little flint down there. More posters. Got the Paper Mario Sticker Star one. Start at the top too. I love my Pokemon stuff, and this is one of my favorite posters up here. I love the history on it. This is from 2010. You guys seen the other videos. You've seen this. That one's pretty old. And it's also a giant sticker too. Go up here, another random poster. More figures. You're gonna see a lot of figures in here. I like collecting them. I think they're unique too, especially when they stop selling them. Pikmin poster. Got that framed. Also got some Mario Kart stuff. More Amiibos on the wall. They're like everywhere. I got the chess set. I actually got this when it was on clearance. So I got a really good deal on it. Still got it wrapped, even though the wrapping's damaged. More Club Nintendo stuff. This one right here is pretty cool. This is actually like the official Mario hat. It comes with instructions and stuff. It's not meant to be worn, but I got this, man, a long time ago, early 2000s. It was like a platinum member gift, so keep that there. Other boxes I have here for display of some of the editions I have. Regular stuff too. I have friends that go overseas, so they'll pick me up stuff like the Game & Watch, that Mega Man Amiibo. Pretty cool. Link to the Past. Anyways, this is my setup in the middle. I got the TV from downstairs, retired it upstairs. Got my PS3 right here on the left. Got the Wii U in the center. Little All Might right there too. And then I got the minis right underneath that. Power is routed from the bottom out to the back. And then I got extra controllers and peripherals in the cabinets on the right. Got some more My Hero stuff right here. Random Tomura. And then I got he was a special pre-order from the One's Justice special edition. Got Game Boy, and these are edition 1s too, so these were a gift as well. Another thing I picked up, 30th anniversary, the history of Mario. It's another issue number 1 for Super Mario Brothers, the Mario's history. It only goes up to 2009 because that's when I got the poster. All Might stuff. I kind of grew like an obsession with All Might. So I got a lot of that stuff here. It's one of my favorite heroes. So yeah, I guess this is most of it. Well, this is some of it. A little poster and that there. So it's kind of like a little anime corner, if you will. I keep my boxes down here. This is for the special edition God of War collector's edition. The statue stays downstairs in the living room, so this is what I was able to keep upstairs, all my Kratos stuff, because I do love God of War. I did grow up playing some of that. More My Hero stuff. I kind of keep this stuff spread out, or actually no, I keep it focused kind of in these two corners. More All Might stuff, My Hero stuff. Keep that there. That's a special edition. That's where the Deku figure came from that box. More little random collectibles. The Amiibos. Yeah, let's move on to the Amiibos. So this was like a little custom setup. I made some stuff out of foam board, and that's what I used to prop them up. And surprisingly, they all fit. So I don't think this is going to get any bigger. I don't plan on making it bigger. So yeah. More figures. I had these were all scattered all around the room. I kind of just consolidate them there. More figures, more stuff in box. Got the gold and the silver. Those are originals, first release. My Pokemon section right here. This was from the last videos. A lot of the stuff got damaged in the move, but I was able to repair most of it. This has changed slightly, I think. A little mini Star Fox section. The Starlink Battle for Atlas, when this game came out, they released the R-Wing with it, and I thought it was too cool. And it went on sale, so I bought two. Keep one sealed, and I like to open one. So, yeah, Mario Party 2. Since it's being recorded, you're gonna see, since on the fat TV, it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look a little weird. Some more collectibles. My son comes in and he plays with them. DDR mats. I got Octopath Traveler, Wayfarer's Edition, Bravely Default. Little Yoshi on the side. Okay. Alright, here's the, I guess, meat and potatoes of the room. It's, I guess, one of my favorite sections aside from the games. I'll go ahead and I'll start at the bottom. So here are all my consoles. I got them separated out. Went ahead and I used foam board for the backboards too, and then I got everything that's lit up. You can see these are magnetic and they're touch sensitive, so you just touch them and they'll turn off. So those are really cool. Bought them off Amazon. They're lightweight. I love them. Really cool lights. I'll start here. So here I got my little ocarina, some random stuff right here, a little DK barrel. That's my splitter I have right there. That's what I use to split everything between the two TVs, and how I'm able to have everything hooked up at the same time. I can't really show you the back, it's too dark, but I have a lot of this stuff hooked up to like HDMI converters. So it goes from composite to HDMI. Wii U experience, you guys remember that? I got some more Pokemon stuff up here. I had these, they're like really big. I thought about getting rid of them, but I was like, what the hell, just keep them. More Pokemon stuff. Got that giant Pikachu. Another little Pikachu bank right there. More Pokemon stuff. That Pokemon Guess, you can like, I don't know. It's alright. I don't know if you guys mess with it. They got these Mega Blocks things. These are pretty cool. I thought they were awesome. They're a pain in the ass to put together though. You guys saw this from the previous videos. I took an old Nintendo Power, cut it up, made that poster. More poster boards. That's part of the Metroid section. That's another thing from an old beat up Nintendo Power. Another view of the console from behind, so you can kind of see it. Mario Sunshine playing in the background. Here's my Metroid Shrine. Some more posters, stuff I made. Pretty much anything Metroid I could find goes into this collection. Some more Amiibos. I love this Figma figure. I want to get another one because that's the Metroid Prime series one, but I'm too scared to open it. I found another Figma one, so I got that one open. That's from Metroid Other M. That was a special edition. Another Amiibo from overseas. That cartridge had a t-shirt in it. And I have an arm cannon that actually works. You can pick that up at GameStop. Highly recommend. It's super cool. Some more figures, some more books. More Metroid stuff. I got the big Metroid. More minifigures. I got a gold series as a gift from a friend. These hold all my games. Stuff that I haven't beaten yet. That's easily accessible, so I don't have to go in and out of the library. Some more figures. You guys remember the gold N64 that was also gifted to me? Guess I have pretty cool friends. This was also a gift, the Pokemon XD GameCube Gale of Darkness. It doesn't really work. I gotta fix it. This Snubble's supposed to make noise. Never mind. I think I have it off. It just says its name. Little Pichus. Got my Meowth right there. Go ahead, I'll move on to this side right here. Some more Amiibos, like I said, they take up most of the shelves. Some more Metroid posters. That one's probably my favorite, the one with Mother Brain. Another Metroid poster, really nice. That's one of my favorites as well. Little Mario figure. Not sure why I opened it. Little Ho-Oh figure. He screams in the corner. 2DS, never opened that. I just didn't see the point, so I just leave it boxed. It's probably worth something someday. More posters. This is kind of what I use. My little Surface. I use it for sometimes recording, editing, stuff like that. Little bookshelf. Got this on sale. This is where I keep some of the stuff that's already opened. Some of the vintage stuff as well. I can kind of go in there, look at old Nintendo powers. It's pretty cool. It's really nostalgic. Highly recommend if you haven't gotten anything like that set up. Some of my other boxes got the first edition of the NES Classic back when people were beating each other up to get it. Paid too much money for it. Kind of regret it because, I mean, now that I have it, I was kind of like, what the hell. NES Classic. One of my favorite 3DSs. Keep the box there. More figures. Got a little Boo. Link in the corner. Some more Mario stuff. Little Pokeball. Some of my other figures. Got Link. Skull Kid. Sheik. Toon Link. Waluigi. Those are hard to find. And a Bowser Jr. Haven't seen any of those over where I'm at. These are pretty cool. More Amiibos. Got that first release of the King DDD, Pit, Dark Pit, Dr. Mario. Not sure if you can find these anymore. Got Ness and Lucas. I'm pretty sure some of those were GameStop exclusives. Ganondorf. Wario's pretty cool. Shulk. Got this Peach's Castle. It's super cheap. If you're looking at getting something like that, I would be careful. Some more stuff up here. Got that Majora's Mask tape in the mail back in the 90s. That's what they use for advertisement. And some more stuff here. Alright, another handheld section. That's where I keep all my Game Boy games. Someone was getting rid of this case and I scooped it up. And this is where I keep all my Game Boy games. And I go back from red, blue, yellow, gold, silver. And then I also keep their overseas Japanese variants. I want to collect one of each one. Most of these are from my childhood. So if you see some really beat up ones, those are the ones that survived. More Game Boy Color. So this Game Boy Camera. That one's pretty cool. If you haven't messed with that, highly recommend. These are kind of like some loose ones, stuff I don't really have space for. The one without a label is, I think, Kirby Block Ball. That was when I was a kid, too. Who remembers this? Wi-Fi USB connector. Got my Pokemon manual. I'm a big fan of the original 150. It's what I grew up with, so I always keep a poster of that there. Some more figures here. Probably from like the first couple sets. Keep some more controllers and stuff down here. And then this drawer, this is where I keep all my controllers. I have some scattered throughout, just in case friends come over and we use the GameCube controllers, what have you, and stuff on the other TV. But yeah, so this is it. Here's the room. I'll do one more look around, and then what I'll do is I'll wait till night, and then I'll turn all the lights on, and I'll show you what the room looks like at night. It looks pretty cool. So, alright guys, it's nighttime now. I got everything on in the room. Switched up the game so you get a little different feel for it. This is what the room looks like at night. See how some of the lights complement some of the figures, stuff on the shelves. The lights look way brighter on camera, but trust me, in person they're not this bright. So no, I don't keep all this stuff on all the time. If I'm in here, I'll keep a few lights on, or the glow of the TV is enough for me. And depending on how much company I have over, we're either maybe got two screens going, or we're all playing on one screen. So, but yeah, this is the room. I'll go ahead. I'll finish up going around through everything. If you guys got any questions, comments, or want to know how I did some of the things, or what I used for some of the lights or for some of the shelving, just hit me up, let me know. And yeah, that's it guys. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.